Quick installation video for the splash guard on the ss9, the Energica ss9. This is the guard you get. It's a very tough, thick plastic. I ordered it through my dealer and I just agreed that I would install it myself. Yeah, I'm in my professional recording studio with the kids playing in the background. Anyway, so it just fits in, but you need to, it's a bit involved because you need to basically take apart the full rear license plate holder. It comes with all these new bolts that are just slightly longer. This is the part number in case you want to order one yourself. And also some grommets. It's very complete, as you will see when I go through. I started by unbolting the indicator stocks, so that's just a bolt that comes out. And then I made the mistake to also completely disassemble the seat. However, I was doing this because I wanted access to the wires that are hidden here, but it's apparently not needed. Okay, it's starting to work out. I did remove the seat, it's over there, but I think you don't have to, as long as you can access. Well, you don't even have to access over here. You can, if you unbolt these two, well, 4 in total, then this whole assembly comes off. Then you have smaller ones up here that hold the wires. So if you remove these, you have some slack in the wires. And then you can pull the small ones, the white small ones, and that's a grommet. You can pull them through the holes there in the frame. So that one as well, I'm just pulling it through, and then once it's through, you can disconnect it, and that way I think you don't have to remove the top seat. Alright, and to move this thing in place, it's almost in place. On top it's in place, at the bottom not yet. You have to remove the blinkers, as you can see. Not pull them completely through, but remove the bolts. But you also have to remove, you see that bolt there? That one. Those connect through that hole. Okay, so these bottom ones need to come out, but to do so you need to remove your license plate, because you need to have access to these. And then I believe that should be it to mount this thing. Okay, so no, that bolt is too short, but I noticed those are probably longer ones. And then these are some grommets for something. Those are clips, which I already have. And those might fit. We also have these. Yeah, those are the smaller ones that were there. They are also longer probably. Maybe these fit over there. Oh, that's crazy, attention to detail. So longer bolts are in place. Now for these I was trying to mount them. Also longer bolts included. Well, somewhere here, not sure where I left them. But then these are the clips that were on. So I was trying to use these, but they are too big. You can no longer mount them because this has become more narrow, and that's why they have those smaller ones included. Crazy, right? Alright, and I'll just connect the connectors again. Left and right is different, so you can't mix them. And then these bolts go back in, and I think I know what that hole is for, to access these bolts. And then there are grommets included to plug those up. Yeah, they thought about everything. Voila. Well, except for putting the seat back.